Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add image banner on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just click on this customize option right here on your online store. And then it will open your Shopify editor. Now, as you can see, I have this featured products, featured collection, and I already have this footer. So it's quite short. So if you want to add an image banner, what you can do is you can click on this add section just below the template. And then in here, you can just search in here for image banner. And then once you have searched for that, you should be able to see them right here. Click on this one and then you can see that they will be added right here. So you can also rearrange their actual position. You can make this go up upper than the featured collection right here. You can also make this go downward and whatever you want it to be. As you can see, this is our image banner. It's quite big, so you can resize it. I'll just size it at small. And now you can select an image that you want added for this one. So for example, for me, I'll add this right here, which is my logo. Click on done. Once I have done that, it will be added right here. And I can put in here some text from my image banner. I can edit it out. Welcome to my shop. And I can also edit out this particular thing right here as well as the button labels that I have integrated for this one. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.